I am Ramayana Yadav. I welcome you all in my next video lecture. In this video lecture, I will teach you about the basic concepts of fractions. So let's get started. Let's take a look on the agenda of the video. Basic understanding about fractions, definition of fraction, types of fractions. Let's take a circle, draw it into 4 equal parts. If someone has taken 2 parts of the circle, then remaining parts of the circle will be represented as 2 upon 4. And if someone has taken 1 part of the circle, then remaining parts of the circle will be represented as 3 upon 4. Let's take another example. If someone has taken out 3 parts of the circle, then remaining part of the circle is represented as 1 upon 4, where 1 is numerator and 4 is denominator. Definition of fraction. The number of the form a upon b, where a and b are natural numbers, is known as fraction. Types of fractions: decimal fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction, like fraction, unlike fraction. Decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the numbers 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called a decimal fraction. For example, first 4 upon 10. Its denominator is 10. Second example, 15 upon 100. Its denominator is 100. In third example, 31 upon 1000, its denominator is 1000. Hence, these all are decimal fractions. Proper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator is called proper fraction. For example, 5 upon 7, 10 upon 17, 25 upon 26, etc. It will be clear here. 5 upon 7, 5 is less than 7, 10 is less than 17, 25 is less than 26. Therefore, these all are proper fractions. Improper fraction. A fraction whose numerator is more than or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. For example, in first 15 upon 7, its numerator is 15 and denominator is 7. Since the numerator 15 is more than denominator 7, therefore this fraction is called an improper fraction. Similarly, in second example, 25 upon 17, its numerator is 25 and denominator is 17. Since numerator 25 is more than denominator 17, therefore this fraction is an improper fraction. And in third example, numerator is 45 and denominator is also 45. Since numerator and denominators both are equal, therefore this fraction is also and improper fraction. Mixed fraction, a number which can be expressed as the sum of natural number and proper fraction, is called a mixed fraction. For example, 12 whole 2 upon 3, 4 whole 7 upon 8, 20 whole 3 upon 9, these all are mixed fraction. While for look in first example, 12 whole 2 upon 3, 12 is a natural number and 2 upon 3 is a proper fraction. Similarly, 4 is a natural number and 7 upon 8 is a proper fraction. 20 is a natural number and 3 upon 9 is a proper fraction. Therefore, these all are mixed fractions. Like fraction. Fractions having the same denominators but different numerators are called like fractions. For example, 5 upon 15, 9 upon 15, 13 upon 15. In all examples, we observe that each has same denominators. Therefore, these all are like fractions. Unlike fraction. Fractions having the different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 2 upon 5, 6 upon 7, 11 upon 15. In all examples, we observe that each have different denominators. Therefore, these all are unlike fractions.